All right, good morning, everybody,
Morning.
and welcome once again
Good morning, sir.
to our empowering morning conversations, session number 63. I wasn't there for the last 2 days, and I really missed you people. In fact, yesterday morning, I went to sleep at 5:30, and I was still tempted. I said, let me stay awake and go and do the session. Then a little bit of sense prevailed.
I saw you. You logged in to check whether it is started or not, and then went back.
You're very perceptive. All right, Kuldeep ji, why don't we start with your share early in the morning? With translation, please. Shakti, congratulations. That's a very good program.
Thank you, sir.
I did Colonel Saab's program year and a half back, and I don't miss one single day of practice. Go ahead, Kuldeep ji.
Good morning, friends. I'll share one of I'll share one of my learnings कि कभी पीठ पीछे आपकी बात चले तो घबराना मत। कभी पीठ पीछे आपकी बात चले तो घबराना मत, क्योंकि बात तो उन्हीं की होती है जिनमें कोई बात होती है।
Wow, wow. So if somebody talks behind your back, don't worry. They only talk about those who are worth talking about.
Yes,
Is that a good translation?
yes, is the exact translation.
Thank you very much. So these morning conversations are meant to empower us, get into a more positive state so that we can spread this positivity in the world, which needs it very badly. As you know very well, we're just surrounded by negativity. And as human beings, you might have noticed that we get influenced very easily, right? So the circumstances are influencing us through our feelings, and our feelings are easily influenced. And have you noticed that the circumstances very rarely influence us positively? Most of the time it's negative. And sometimes our own family and friends, you want to do something big, they'll say, "Hurry, don't do it. It is very risky. How do you know you will succeed?" And we don't have the courage to say, "How do you know it will not succeed?" So we buy that negativity and then we limit ourselves and start living a limited life. So, anybody here interested in living a limited life at any age? Have you noticed that as we start getting older, there'll be these indirect things, Acha, you are old, don't do it, we'll do it for you. And then you start feeling like that. And girls are quite used to it, by the way. Because from the childhood, people are saying, "You're a girl, you can't do this. Are you sure you should do this? Is this a profession for the ladies?" So, the way the world is influencing us is so subtle that we don't even know that that's happening. And then on top of that, we go and do our own deeds, you see. As little children, like when we are toddlers and when we are learning to walk, that time we don't have a problem. If you fail, if you fall down, you get up and start walking again. And if you say a sentence which is not correct, do you stop talking? You still keep on making mistakes. Rama, you have to stop doing this, man. So as a child, we keep falling down, getting up, saying something wrong, saying something right, and we keep going and keep going until we go to, what is that school? Primary school, after nursery school. After that, we are so scared of falling. We are so scared of failing. And after that, something very interesting also happens. What happens is, every time we fail, we judge ourselves. We feel guilty about it. So we've added some more kachada to ourselves. Oh, I made a mistake. Then we also start carrying fear of making mistake. So just imagine that a human being is born to live a limitless life, and we become so limited, isn't it? So that little wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary little baby who was admired by everybody, who was loved by everybody, now started doubting himself or herself, am I capable of being loved? Will they still love me? I hope they don't hate me. I hope they don't punish me. Yeah. And then what a life we start leading. Then we have to go to do a program that will allow us to live life fully and a life that we love. And you'll pay 15,000 rupees to do it so that you can live a life you love. Don't worry. I spent 12 years of my life there, and that's why I'm here. So there's a benefit of everything that you do. But you know something? I believe that we human beings, we are garbage collectors. We keep on collecting kachara from outside. And most of it we create from the inside only. You understand? And the more garbage that we collect, the more difficult life is. Now who's making it difficult? We do, right? So that's why I have a very nice special session for you today. This is called the cleaning the clutter session. All the garbage that we have collected, we can start a process of cleaning it up. And we can start a process that every time some kachara falls on you, it comes from the outside sometimes, and then it comes from the inside also sometimes. So if we have a process that we clean it up immediately, will we not be lighter? Will we not be happier? Will we not live our life with exuberance? And that's what this whole session is all about. You see, now my wife has appeared in front of me. I'm feeling a little more exuberant. Okay.
Sir, let's welcome our own Sufi monk, Taqiyuddin.
Oh. So when we get to see him after some time, then we will really see the monk with the robes and shaven head and all that. All right, guys. So let me give you a quick introduction. The purpose of this program is to allow us to live a life of ease, joy, and glory. Okay. Now, this is the mantra of program offered by the Access Consciousness organization, of which I am a part. And those are the programs I've been attending for the last couple of days. Okay. And I believe, and I strongly believe, that we all deserve to live a life of ease, joy, and glory. Some people might have forgotten what it means to live a life of ease, no? Because we are struggling, sir. Life is a struggle. We have to fight, sir. Nothing comes easily in life, sir. Again, programming, If you don't work hard, you will never succeed. And then you see some idiots who are not working hard at all, and they're making millions. And then you say, what's wrong with me, man? I'm struggling so hard. I'm thinking so much. I'm analyzing everything about myself, and still I'm here. People ask me, sir, you're doing so many studies, still you're studying at your old age also. Huh? But look at those people, sir. They have not studied anything. How come? Maybe because they don't have brains and they don't use them. We've got too much of brains. We are only using them. Who knows? So today's session is about what are you cluttering your life with? Okay, and we'll talk more about it as we go along. What are you cluttering your life with? And we're going to discover that. And if you think I'm going to tell you, I may or may not tell you. I'll help you to find out for yourself. How does it get better than that? All right, so who would like to speak? So before we go into what we're going to do today, I'd love to hear what's going on in your life, what great victories you've had, what big blunders you committed, where did you get stuck in life, right? How did you get unstuck from it? And I just want to remind you, and this I will do many times. Every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of yourself. So let's welcome a few new people, especially our Sufi monk. Very, very warm welcome to you. Would you like to say a few words to our August audience? I'm not able to see him. Ah, there he is. Tayakuddin, very warm good morning to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, I think you can hear me. Thank you so much.
Yeah, loud and clear.
I'm very nice to see this morning conversation. From some days I was thinking how to join. Fortunately, now I got the chance. Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you very much for joining us. It's a pleasure to have you. And you will bring your special energy and your special vibration to all of us. And I'm sure you will add to the positivity that this group wants to generate. See, we believe that the more positivity that we generate, the more people we influence with positivity, the world will become a better place. And we are very selfish people, you see. We say that if the world becomes a better place, my life will also be easier. So anything you'd like to say about that? Or anything which comes to your mind?
Yeah, really, I was just thought about your own experience, your own journey from long time in Landmark and everywhere. You are giving so much to the society. And we have to get that benefit also. Everyone, selfish. We have to get something from you, from this conversation. So we are lucky to be with this. I like the Ramasan sir. I know him from long time, and he's smiling so much. I am just saying that transformation made by him because I was thinking about the fun partner as he suggested for me. I am the man very less to smile. So he's the one from the beginning. He's smiling. So I have to see that, and I also want to be a man like him now.
If you join us, you will be smiling. That's one thing which we make people do every day. In fact, why don't we do it now? So when I say 1, 2, 3, let us all laugh 100% without making a sound. So 1, 2, 3, go. So what a way to start the day, isn't it? Oh God. So thank you very much for laughing with me and laughing at me. I don't mind. So you see, one of my things which I keep putting up on that photo behind me is stop blaming, start living. And that's one of the kachadas that we carry in life, isn't it? So let's talk about your experiences of yesterday and what you've been doing, and then we'll get into the question for the day. So who's going first?
I'll go for it, sir.
Yep.
Good morning, and good morning to everyone. Yesterday, a thought came, like always we hear from our parents, friends, everyone, save for the future, save the money for the future. But actually, in that, we are imbibing in ourselves that there is nothing available will be in the future. So start saving it. Nothing available there in the future. So start saving it. So the negative thoughts, we are saying about save for future, but there is a indirect message which tells about the negative message. So probably we should just think over a little more on it. Actually, it is there. The future is there. Future is for all of us.
And what about the doubt?
we don't need to save for future as in terms of money. We need to save a lot of people. We need to save a lot of energy, the positive things. That is what will take us our life in a better manner rather than just keep saving only the money. I think there's an indirect things which so many times people used to tell me, and I was also lived with that. And I think I should change the thing. That's what it came to me yesterday.
Well, before
Thanks.
you make any conclusions,
Yes, sir.
listen to what I have to say.
Yeah.
Okay, so first of all,
I
there is this now Chaturvedi ji and Kunayan, they always say their shairi. So I'll also tell you one. Okay, now listen very carefully, a very serious one it is. Work hard and save your money so that when you are old, you can enjoy all those things which only young people can enjoy. So that means all your life, you will wait for that day when you can start living. Now we can't live, sir. Now we are busy saving money. Sir, we will stay in one room with 9 people staying in it. Why, sir? Because, sir, one day we will have standard of living when we go back to Kerala and make a big bungalow. But 40 years, I'm going to stay like this only. Work hard and save your money so that when you're old, you can buy all those things which only young people enjoy. Now, does it mean you don't save money? No. Please do save 10% of whatever you earn. That's how you make more money. On the other hand, why should you curtail your desires in order to save? You can fulfill your desires by earning more, no? Get out of this 9 to 5 and earn more. Who stopped you? The problem is we get set. Now I got my job. Okay. Now I have to adjust, live within my means. Hello, expand your means. Who stopped? That's called living life by choice. So listen, I'm not making fun of you. I'm making fun of the conditioning that we have been subjected to. You understand conditioning? If you don't, let me explain to you. In 1947, some Russian scientists were experimenting with dogs to find out about human. Okay, so what they did, every time they would feed the dogs, they would ring a bell and the dogs would come running to eat the food. So they did that for a couple of months. And after that, even when there was no food over there, they rang the bell and the dogs came running and they were salivating. Saliva was falling down. That's called conditioning. And there's such a lot of very subtle, sukshma conditioning going on, influencing going on. And we don't even know that it's being done. And all those who are doing it, they are the ones who love us. And they are not doing for harming you in any way. They think that they are doing it for your benefit. But they end up making us as limited as they might have been. Some are unlimited. See, as human beings, don't we have a craving to be free? We have a craving for freedom, is it not? And what is freedom? Freedom means freedom of choice in life, isn't it? Like I live a life I choose rather than living a life that has been imposed on top of it. And you guys have heard me share many times, till the age of 27 years, I was only living a life that was imposed on me. Right? How did they impose it? Somehow or the other. I picked it up. Some of it they imposed. So was I living a life I love? Was I living a life powerfully? So if circumstances are going to always control my life, I'm never going to live powerfully. And I will always depend on other people to make me happy. So my happiness lies in their happiness. That's what I did for 27 years. I was trying to make everybody happy. I was trying to live according to their expectations. But lo and behold, they were never satisfied. So then what? Am I a dog running after my own tail? for the rest of my life. Now, coming back to, apart from all that limited life, be careful, don't do this, don't do that, all that, we still manage to do things and accumulate lot of kachara in our life. So, let me ask you the golden question. What are you cluttering up your life with? What are the things with which we are cluttering our own life? So, anybody like to enlighten us?
With our beliefs,
Okay. What kind of beliefs? Just say what comes. Don't worry. Don't worry about right or wrong. Most of the things that will come out will be right only.
all the years.
Which
about-
one?
Which have been told by elders, so we believe. The
Yeah,
some-
then
we are
the
cluttered-
negative ones.
Yeah, negative ones.
Positive ones is not kachara, no?
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you very much. And Kasa, what are you saying? Please unmute and say.
At times we get stuck with some failures which we went through. And,
Yeah, so what's the kachara?
Kachra is taking that dirt, putting on us, it is because of us.
Okay, self-blame, self-doubt. What else? Losing faith in ourselves.
And yeah,
Okay, very good.
so
Thank you very much
these
for sharing.
has
it.
to be cluttered out.
We have collected the kachara. What else?
Sir, the
Come on,
clutter we are into now is the overload of information. So much of information coming and overloaded. It's really cluttering, and particularly for the younger generation. And
Okay.
choosing what is the right one to look at is the big challenge.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much for sharing it. What else? If so much blame we are carrying, is that not kachara?
Yes.
You just check and see. So much accumulated blame, so much accumulated guilt. Okay, let's hear some more. What other kachara that we are carrying?
Sir,
Hello,
uh,
sir.
Bolo, bolo.
I hope the connection today at least is okay. Let us see how long
Arey,
it lasts.
Ashok ji, it is fantastic.
Yeah.
Your voice is so loud and clear.
Thank you, thank you. The clutter, I would say that the postponed decisions of things which I'm expected, I'm supposed to, and I know that I should take it, but I allow time to pass by so that the situation will itself will improve and get it resolved. That's it. It
Yeah,
really
unfinished
occupies
business.
unfinished business. And secondly, the ifs and buts. If I do this, what will happen? If I do that, what will happen? If I don't do that, will happen? If I do that, what will happen? So many things which we try to think from others' point of view or the reaction point of view. All that is cluttering. And the result is that we become sannyasi and do nothing. We just wait for the situation to resolve itself. That's
Oh, God.
that
This is
is
like the. Yeah, carry on. Sorry.
And
no, that is what the situation creates, because we allow the cluttering. We do not allow everything to be cleaned before we go to the bed every evening.
Yeah.
We should be able to clean the slate and start a fresh day next day. That doesn't happen. We carry on. That's and I realize that yes, I'm victim of that kind of situation. The people
Yeah,
look to us to take
most
decision,
people are.
and we look to people look to us to take decision, and we say, "अरे 2 दिन ठहरो यार, देखेंगे क्या होता है." नहीं खत्म हुआ तो वो मिलते हैं और देखते हैं क्या कैसा डिसीजन लेना है. But we don't say what we should do or what we will do. So everything stops at that place. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And you know, we are so obsessed by cleaning our house, right?
Yes.
And having a bath every day, right? But we don't do cleaning of our own mind, body, and emotions.
Inside, yeah. True.
And something very interesting he said, you know, that we become like a monk and we stop doing any action. It's like the hard disk of your computer, you know. If you open a file and you don't close it, and you open another file and you don't close it, and you open another file and you don't close it, and you open another file and you don't close it, eventually your computer becomes slow and then it crashes. I say, at least if your computer crashes, you do something about it, na? But you know what's the problem with us guys? Our vehicle keeps on going in first gear. Gaadi chal rahi hai na? Life is going on, no? What is the need to change? Change is uncomfortable. I can deal with all this kachara, but kachara cleaning is a painful business, sir. I don't have time to do kachara cleaning. So I'll keep on crawling in my life. I will not run because kachara cleaning is difficult business. So sad, no? That is why I always say, good is the enemy of great. So if you talk to people, how's life? Okay, life is good. So with all the kachara and everything, life is good. But life can be great, my friends, if we clean up the kachara, na? So let's look at the kachara. So what is the mental kachara that we are carrying? Now, don't give me generalized stuff about others. Take some, learn something from our good friend Ashok ji. He always shares something real from his own life. I like this guy and I love him and I respect him because he is not afraid to tell the truth. He doesn't need to do any image building. Most of us, we are always doing image building. We'll only share nice things about us. So, what is the mental kachara we are carrying?
Sir,
Yes.
part of our mental kachra, I think, comes from our over expectations, where the over
Hello. Stop. Neeti ji.
Ji.
Let us answer the question. I'm not asking you where does your mental kachara comes from. I'm saying what is the mental kachara we are carrying? If we are carrying.
Yeah, because it's the gap between what I expected and what actually happened. And
so when that gap
is what I am
happens,
carrying. That is the gap that I'm carrying.
What is that?
Discontent from that gap.
So discontent you are carrying. That is the kachara. Beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing. And discontent, you may discover, can be for many things, right? Yes, Neeti?
Yes.
It can be for more than one thing. So discontent. So all of you can check and see what are the things about which you've got discontent and you've done nothing about it. And if I ask you why you didn't do anything about it, you'll say it's impossible to do anything about it. Anyway, we'll come to that. So one is thing called discontent. What other mental kachara are we carrying?
I think what others think. Even they are not thinking anything, but still we will think what others think, how they will be.
Yeah.
This is the one factor we are carrying.
Beautiful. What will other people think? Log kya kahenge?
Yeah, log kya kahenge. We know
So
they will never think anything, but still there is a clutter like that. We are carrying all that.
I know, and people are so afraid of the same thing that nobody is looking at us. But we are worried about what they are thinking about us. That's a good one. Okay, what else? What other mental kachara are we carrying?
Preconceived notions, sir.
Preconceived notions. Okay. Very nice, Raghu. What else?
Worrying about future is the biggest kachara.
Worry is the
about
kachara that we
future is the
carry.
biggest kachara.
Yeah, something which has not happened yet. So I keep asking people, why are you worrying? Something good could also happen, no? Worry means we are worried about something bad that might happen. I mean, what is the worst thing that can happen to any human being here? Tell me, guys, what is the worst thing that can happen to any human being?
I think so.
You would
Deepak, it
die.
could be. Sorry.
We would die. है ना?
Hmm.
So ultimate bliss. So we'll reach a place जहाँ पे गम भी ना हो, आंसू भी ना हो, infinity हो, but we are afraid of that because that also we think something bad will happen. Because so many people have influenced us, na? And most of us are scared, you know. I am definitely going to go to hell, so I don't want to die. How do you know? You may go to heaven also. 50-50 chance, right? Okay, what else?
Living
of
with
failure.
old
Hasina ji.
quarrels.
Let Hasina ji finish. Yes, ma'am.
Living with old quarrels.
Can you say a little bit more about that?
Like if you have some misunderstanding with somebody and you keep on thinking on those lines.
Yeah. And you'll notice one thing, Hasina ji, we are carrying anger or resentment.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know, people whom you have not
Right.
forgiven.
Hmm.
So that is a kachara when you carry anger and resentment in your heart.
Right.
Very nice.
Right. Thank you.
Good. Thank you. Who's next?
I will go for it, sir.
Yes, certainly.
Yes, good morning, everyone. The past worst experience and what the experience we gained from the past, and then the fear of the future, and forget to live. the
Yeah. Now
current,
let's talk specific. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Talk about yourself.
Yes,
Like
yes, the
this is
same thing.
general, no?
No, I'm it's my experience only, sir.
Yeah. So
Like,
what we are carrying? Regret about the past.
Yes, like I want to do something, carry over, and then do it for a particular time or for a month, and then you stop doing it. So then, like that one activity, when I do it, later what will happen? Oh, okay, we cannot do it.
So you are having a lot of unfinished business in your
Unfinished,
life.
yes, yes.
And then you are feeling guilty about it also.
Yes, and the time passes. Oh, later we may not get the time, or okay, we will do it on the future. Okay, now it is not, but we will do it in the future, but not today.
Exactly.
And when the tomorrow comes, it is not a tomorrow, that is also today. So there is
Yeah, but
nothing.
do you notice how much of kachara is happening?
Yes, yes. The
When
fear-
you
fear
don't complete
comes.
something, then it's unfinished business. Then you got some regret about it also. Then you're blaming yourself also. All this is the kachara. By blaming yourself and all this, are you doing the thing? No, no. I didn't do it, sir. I left it unfinished. But what a nice boy I am. Feeling bad, no? So I know this guy when we were in college. He used to come and boast, you know, I hit my elder sister. So I said, you think you have done a very good thing hitting your elder sister, shameless fellow? No, 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 I'm feeling very bad about it. There's another guy used to beat his wife, you know. By the way, there's a lady called Madhu Keshwar. Now she's very heavy into this women's empowerment and all. She said, Mr. Malvai, do you know more than 60% of Indian men, they beat their wives. So I was not surprised to hear that. But what he told me next, I was very surprised. She said, and sir, they feel very guilty about it. So does it stop them from doing it again? Oh, no, 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 no. They're justifying. They say, see, sir, I did it. No, I'm feeling very bad. That's another mental kachara, guilt. Because if guilt stops you from doing some bad thing next time, then you'll never do it, na? But it's a mental kachara. You put some minus mark against you. So thank you, Raghu. What else? What are the other mental kacharas that we are carrying?
So still,
mental
I'm not finished, sir.
Oh, you still have more, huh?
Yeah, no, in that same thing only. Like after 5 years, I will start looking back. Okay, before 5 years, I would have done this better. Now the time is over. So basically, when the future comes, also it's the same thing happening. Like you go to your previous experience and then live with that. So that the action has to be taken. That is where.
This is really beautiful. You notice that the previous experience has defined him in his own mind, and it's become a limitation. Wow. Thank you for sharing. Okay, who else?
Yes, sir.
Where
This
is
is
Vitrival? I don't see him.
Fear
Sir,
of
good
failure.
morning. I am here only, enjoying all the inputs.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, fear of
Suresh,
failure and fear of losing.
that is your kachara?
Yeah, mostly. Yeah.
So one is to ask this question, no? How do I get rid of fear of failure? By failing and find out that nothing happens.
No. I mean, but what I understood and I got is like, okay, once you lose everything, you start from the kachra and you build your own thing.
That's exactly what I'm saying, no?
Yeah.
Hello, Suresh.
Sir.
You're such a good guy, so insightful, so thoughtful. You know, if you start listening, your speed in life will become 200%.
Yeah.
Already you're doing very well.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
By the way, guys, you should know he's my very, very old friend. And I'm so proud of him. And I'm so happy that he comes in these morning calls every morning. Thank you, Suresh.
Thank you.
Kamal, why don't you say something? You've been coming every day, but you never say anything. Yes, sir.
Good morning, all. No, I'm just taking their insights and the decluttering. What you said. One is I think they all are covered. Over expecting, like something expecting from others. It's a
Say
kind
that
of
again. This is an interesting point.
expecting something from others. It can be a mental clutter when it got
Yeah.
not fulfilled, kind of thing.
Then you get upset.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a very interesting one.
Would be a
So there are
mental
two
clutter.
kinds, no? Nobody promised you and you're expecting.
Yes, that's the thing. That's the thing. And you
And
over
if-
process, you overthink it, thinking it. No, it's
Yeah.
supposed to be happen like that. It's he's supposed to do like this with me, and then it keep going on.
Yeah, so I was coaching somebody, one of the people from the IT industry only. Recently, he's a vice president, you know. He says, they are doing like this. I said, but have you told them? So he said, but they should know. He's been a project manager for last 12 years. He should know. Hey, Baba, but did you tell him what you're expecting? They should know. She should give me tea at 5 in the morning. Did she promise you? Thank you. Anything else you'd like to add to it, my friend?
Nothing. That's it. Overthinking, over process. That's the only clutter we have.
Would you like to tell the group how you met me and when did you meet me? It's a very old friend also.
No, I've attended one of your session in 5 a.m. And I remember it's about integrity, word power. No, whatever the word.
Now that was in 2006, right?
No, 2010 in 5 a.m. club.
Achha, you met me at the 5 a.m. club.
Yes.
Okay. Right, I thought you were another gentleman.
By the way,
Okay, great.
this Kamal is a great painter, sir. The painting, what you see behind him, done by himself. Kamalji.
Yeah, Tagji knows it. No, the first introduction, which was told that. So,
Yeah, I remember that time. All right, very nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, Abu Bakr, would you like to say something to us about what are the kacharas that we carry in our mind or our body or our emotions?
He just now joined. He will need some
Hi.
time. He's talking.
I repeated for him.
Yeah, I say something.
Yeah, go ahead, Abu Bakr, say whatever you like.
Good morning. I just joined now. Just listening
so
to you.
the
Welcome.
question I'm asking is, what is the kachara we carry? Mental kachara, emotional kachara.
Yeah, so many kacharas I'm carrying: procrastination, laziness, sleepy, unwanted sleepy, something like that. A lot.
Okay, this is some of the kacharas.
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much for sharing.
Yeah.
So, if you want to recover your
Sirish wants to
power,
share.
yeah, go ahead, Sirish.
Yeah, good morning to you all. One of the most great culture we can say is that taking people for granted. and you think that definitely if I ask him, he will definitely he should do this or he should do that for me. These are out of expectations and misconceptions that definitely yes, need not tell him or her, but they should help me, something like this. So taking people for granted without informing them, without knowing them, if you expect something, and then there's a problem. So that's the biggest kachra I can see. Yeah.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. So what is the emotional kachra that we carry? Some of you have mentioned already.
iPhone wants to talk.
Yeah, sure. That is Mr. Ashok Ji.
No, the iPad is Ashok ji is different.
Oh, iPhone is different, huh? Good if you put your name also. Go ahead, Mr. iPhone, Mr. or Mrs. iPhone, whoever. Please unmute yourself. Thank you.
Good morning. This is HK Gandhi, Sukhdeepak.
Oh, hi. How are you? So
Been
nice to see you.
20 years now.
Yeah.
And I was a very interesting session, of course. I'm the first time to join. Good morning, everybody. Because
Good morning.
my
good
name
morning.
is HK Gandhi, and I
Mr.
come
Gandhi,
from-
they are all familiar with one thing which many of these guys are familiar
Ji.
about that. One day, remember you called me up, Sukhdeepak, kahan ho tum? मैंने कहा Nehru Place में हूँ. And you said, आ जाओ. And I came to your office and you talked to me about that, the program you wanted me to do for your.
Yeah.
You remember?
And that was
So
it.
that very significant incident for me.
No, I think that was a game changer also from cultural standpoint. I think Airtel never looked back from that business. Never looked back, of course. And then,
So
of
did
course,
my program make an impact?
It had. Honestly, it had. No, it's been years, of course, but I think the philosophy continued in Indigo when we were launching Indigo. So been part of Indigo and it had, of course. So my question was that that there's a perceived sickness or sick feeling of being incomplete. This is more imaginary than real, but the kachra you carry is the sense of incompleteness.
Adhurapan, like this.
Adhura, exactly.
Yeah.
Let's
So
put
if
it
we
there.
look into ourselves, what would we find out? Ye adhurapan kahan se aata hai?
Yeah, this is more imaginary, I know, but I think one carries that feeling. I would have done this. If he's doing it, I would have done better than that, of course. But that feeling always continues with it. If he could do it, why can't I do it? Yeah.
Maybe it's not as imaginary as we might think,
Possible.
Because one of the things that we do carry is a lot of unexpressed communication.
Sure.
Undelivered communications.
Sure.
You just look into it, you may discover that we all have a lot of unexpressed communication, undelivered communication.
Sure.
Something which we wanted to say, but we didn't say.
We didn't say it, yeah.
Yeah, it could be something like a heartfelt thank you. Or it could be something like, यार तुमने ऐसे उस दिन किया मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा. So I mean, this incompletion is something I've been working on since 1982. There is so much to it. And as we carry on,
one feels vacuum. There's a vacuum in it. You feel a vacuum. That why can't you do it also? The sense of incompleteness always keeps on bothering you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
See, so the key word is, why can't I do something?
Sure.
That means we want to do something.
Yeah.
तो सर आप हमारा वाला फॉर्मूला आजमा लीजिए. If you want to do something, just go and do it, no?
That's right.
कौन है रुकने वाला? And seriously, this is one of the things that we keep talking about in this early morning conversations. Living life by choice rather than decisions.
True.
So just keep thinking about it. In fact, I'm saying to everybody, please keep thinking. How often do you choose? And how often do you decide? You may discover that 95% or more of our life, from the time we were 5 years old, we never chose. They killed the desire to choose.
The difference, all of them may not know. Maybe it will be good to explain.
Let them think about it. Remember, no telling.
Okay.
We want to encourage some thinking. So what's the difference between choosing and deciding? So in subsequent sessions, we can clarify for those who don't know. Yeah. So Rama and Kunal, you need to defeat your desire to, give them the answers immediately.
Yeah.
See, one of the things we want to inculcate is that
Good,
let
अच्छा
people
लगता
start
है।
thinking.
Program
That's why I
अच्छा
asked
है।
question. Can you mute yourself? Somebody is not muted, please.
Yeah,
Thank you,
done,
Gandhi
done.
Sahab. First of all, for honoring my request to join us.
No, it's been a privilege. A pleasure is mine always.
So we love to have you with us every day.
Sure.
And you can share your wisdom with us and add value to this conversation.
Well,
Thank
would
you so
love
much,
to,
sir.
love to. Thank you very much.
Sushma, so what happened to your video? Sushma, are you listening? Okay, so when she gets ready.
Wonderful morning, everyone, and Sukhdeepak ji. Yes, I was exercising, so.
So what happened to your video?
My mobile. Yeah, that's an excuse I'm saying again.
So Susma, today is Tuesday.
Yes. So I had made up my mind last Tuesday, whether my mobile works or not, I will do it with other mobile. That's it.
So what are you waiting for? The day is not over yet.
No, evening.
Yeah, okay, good. So don't forget to send me a link. Huh?
Yes, sure.
I mean, you've got 30 people here who will hound you if you don't do it.
Sukhdeepak ji, the first video I recorded was the second one actually. Gratitude.
Oh.
I had recorded it first, and then I recorded what I posted as my first video.
You know what, Sushma, there is a way you can schedule it on Facebook. Sorry, on YouTube.
Okay.
You can upload it and then you can set it so it will release the next day or the day after that or whatever.
Oh, okay. I'm new to it, so yeah, learn.
कोई नहीं, हमने भी ऐसे ही सीखा है.
Thank you.
All right, good, thank you. Anything you'd like to say to us about the kachara that we are all gathering? Thank you, Siva, for being with us. See you tomorrow. Okay, I think Snehal wanted to say something, so please go ahead. So what is the kachara that we're carrying? Yes, Snehal ji.
No, actually, I have no thoughts on it just now. I'm just listening to everybody.
You listen to so many people's kacharas, no?
Yeah, exactly. Listen to all
so
of
you
that.
know what the kacharas that people carry.
One kachra I was thinking was, maybe I'm just thinking it aloud, is that can one sometimes be so self-satisfied that that in itself is a kachra? I don't know whether
that can become inertia, na?
A sort of inertia. Yes, that's right. So inertia can be kachra, no?
Because of the programming again. You know why? Right. Once in a corporate coaching session, when I was talking about, well-being and, feeling good and being satisfied and all. So that guy says, sir, if I become satisfied, I'll stop performing. Maka, why should it be so? Then you know what we discovered? Right from our childhood, they're using this carrot and stick approach to inspire us to do. Right? जब तक डर नहीं होगा मैं काम नहीं करूंगा. जब तक dissatisfaction नहीं होगा मैं कुछ करूंगा नहीं. So they are afraid. Sir, if I become satisfied, I will stop performing. Because performing even after you are satisfied is something which we have never done. If there is an absence of something, किसी चीज की कमी होती है, तभी हम करेंगे. अब सब संतुष्ट हो गया. 2019, when this COVID thing started, So that was the state I was in the sense that, look, I've done it all, and I mean, business comes on its own, and I've got enough money, ye wo. So किस लिए करने का? But I was getting bored with life, When Gandhi ji said, ना एक खालीपन महसूस हो रहा था मुझे. And then one day I was just thinking, and I said, क्यों? What happened to that fellow was that when you were 27 years old, वो जोश किधर गया? I know how to generate the josh, but एक अंदर से होता है ना. So I said, hey, you lost touch with your vision. Why are you in this profession? Then I remembered, I'm in this profession because I want the world to be a better place. So why should that die? The next day, I offered my first online program. There are some people who were there in that program. Neeti was there and some other people were there. It was the first power versus force program that I had offered. Because I said I've never done this before. I mean, online stuff. So I was very shaky. I'm very good in one-to-one. So I was feeling very sorry at the end of it. So Deepak, you are operating at half power, but I don't get discouraged. So you can defeat that. Maybe for the first time in your life, you can say, even though I'm satisfied, I will still make a new goal and work for it.
Yes. Yeah, right.
स्नेहल जी, आप इतने लोगों का कचरा साफ करती हैं.
Thank you, sir.
You are the block chief or what?
Where?
In your DSG.
No, no, I am a deputy block chief. I'm on my way to becoming an elder in it.
Very nice. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
The term for this is Alpha Santush. Alpha Santush. The term for this is Alpha Santush.
Alpha Santush.
Alpha Santush. है उसे में ठीक है. ज़्यादा करने की प्राइस नहीं है.
Very nice.
So to come out of that and do something more.
Yeah, for that we have learned something called power of generation.
Yeah.
You know, see, just like you are generating happiness, you can generate Josh also. That fellow says in the movie, na, Josh पैदा करो.
Yeah. How is the Josh?
How is the Josh? तो बहुत बाद में आया. Josh पैदा करो was in that Hrithik Roshan movie, you know.
Right.
So the army fellow is in charge, you know. So he said, माँ ने दूध नहीं पिलाया था क्या? जोश पैदा करो. And this is the power we have.
One question, Deepak. Well, just a question,
Sure.
of course. I don't know. Is
No
physical
problem,
clutter,
Pradeep ji.
is physical
Kuldeep
clutter
ji.
also? No. Is physical clutter also carries the mental cluster? Is it a result of somewhere physical clutter around you? Does it create a mental cluster also?
So why this question?
No, because
Let's find out.
no, because
गोपाल जी
you
बोल रहे हैं क्या?
Gandhi ji.
Gandhi.
गांधी जी
That's
बोल
clear.
रहे हैं. अच्छा.
No, my question was the physical clutter around you. Because you don't keep
Okay.
yourself clean in the environment. You keep on dumping item after item, and that sometimes carries a mental clutter for you. Is it linked somewhere?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Because the more clutter you have in your life, the more it drains your energy, you see.
Sure,
Like
sure,
cluttered
sure.
drawer, you know, filing not done,
Sure.
and all sorts of old books and notes and all that.
Mm-hmm.
They're garbage collectors. So
Okay.
once we start cleaning up the clutter, we
Mhm.
get that energy. See, in this sessions, we are doing a lot of work on energetics. Like we are energy human beings, right? So the clutter divides our attention at a subconscious level. So it drains us. So very right. So when we start cleaning the kachara, the first thing is start cleaning up the kachara in the physical space. Then we can go on to the mental space and the emotional state. Thank you, 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 thank you.
There's some.
Just to add two things.
Yes, Kamalji.
Okay, Shiresh is saying something.
Because my turn is not coming.
Okay.
Oh, Hasina ji wants to say.
Okay, first Hasina ji.
Madam,
Yes,
you,
go
have to
ahead.
mute, you have to mute yourself.
Unmute yourself.
Sir, unmute.
When you take a vow and you don't fulfill it, and then you live with that guilt of not fulfilling it, that's the biggest kachara again.
Absolutely. Absolutely. A broken promise. Biggest kachara. Thanks for sharing that. Okay, who else?
Yeah.
Somebody
Yeah.
else wanted to speak, right?
I have a habit of collecting so many books. I'm fond of collecting so many books, but hardly I get time to read all these things. So very few books I have read it. I just start reading and just keep it halfway. But I have collected so many books. So many books are there. And my wife is telling me, please clean this kachra, please clean this kachra. But I'm not able to part it off. The purane bhi ho gaye, but even then I keep it there.
तो दान दे दो, sir. Open a lending library.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I've given it to somebody.
Yeah, I know. I've also got books from 10 years. Thank God my wife keeps pushing me to clean it up,
My wife also.
The other day I was wearing a trouser which was 25 years old. So my wife said, throw it away. I said, but it's perfectly brand new. I've only worn it once. We are pakka garbage collectors.
Kamal wants to add something.
Yes, Kamal sir.
No, whatever Gandhiji is saying, no, there are in IT industry we do two things. One is about when we do the programming, we call it a GIGO, garbage in, garbage out.
Garbage out.
Yeah. And second thing which we do in most of the IT thing is about the lean, to remove the wastages from the processes or even from our desk so once we declutter all those things physically, it really impact our subconscious mind and the way we think actually. So just to add that.
Great. So before I say bye-bye to you, time is up. We got 2 minutes more to go. Here's what I recommend to all of you. Make a list of all the unfinished business in your life. Make a list of all the undelivered communications in your life. In fact, I'm going to post on the group something which will give you details how to go about it. Yeah, so you can do this decluttering in your life. Some of those things may take time. Some of them don't take much time. So don't worry about it. And remember one thing, you brush your teeth every day, and you go somewhere every day, because even the body doesn't want to carry the kachara. So once you've cleaned up all the old kachara, then we can develop habits to clean up the kachara, which we definitely will acquire on a day-to-day basis. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you very much for your participation today. And we look forward to another empowering morning conversation tomorrow morning, 7:30.
Sir, that question again, what the list of we should create?
I will send you the list on the group. Those who are not on the group, send us a message. We'll put you on the group.
And also we will see tonight 8:30 India time for Good to Great.
Yeah, all those who are in the Good to Great program, please be there. We look forward to it. Neeti ji, any last words? I think you want to say something.
No, not at all.
And
Sorry
we can
for that
give
interruption.
Sorry, sir.
which I did.
Sorry for the interruption. That we can give a little glimpse about the topic also. Good to Great, the important topic. Ramaji, anything?
Yeah, we have a program called Good to Great. It's a year-long program, and every month there is a theme with which it is run, and it is weekly once every Tuesday, 8:30 India time. So this month's theme is communication that solves all the problem. Last month it was different topic. So we have already covered relationships, oneness, and many other topics. So every month there is a different theme.
Thank you, Ramaji.
If any of you would like to, any of you would like to know more about it, please reach out to any of us, myself, Vetri, Kunayan, and Subdipak sir. Yeah. Yes.
Thank you, Ramaji. It is communication is certainly an exciting topic, because what you want to get, what you want, the only way to get that is the proper communication, and there is no other great person than Sukhdeepak we can learn that tool from. So we are all excited. If any of these things interest you, please be in touch, make use of this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And I'm happy to announce very soon we will be launching an evening version of the Empowering Conversations. So that will be called Empowering Evening Conversation. So those who can't come in the morning, they can come in the evening. Now, I haven't decided whether that will be daily or 2 times a week or whatever. Major Saab, anything you'd like to say to us before we say bye-bye?
I was the one who said about preconceived notion. I was speaker number 2.
And something else also?
Baggage number 2, garbage number 2.
Anything else which comes to your mind?
Not as such, sir. I heard a lot of trash. Yeah.
Sir, what I'm expecting from you, Josh paida karwao. After all, that's the credo of the armed forces, isn't it? We keep generating the Josh. So good.
I would like to have
Whenever
the,
I meet you, I remember my entire childhood, which was
Oh,
spent
great.
in all army cantonments.
Oh, fine, sir. Good to know.
Yeah, my dad was in the army.
Yeah, Colonel, you told me.
Yeah, he was commanding the Jat regiment.
I'm also from 17 Jat.
Oh, 14 Jat, 11 Jat, Bareilly Center.
Yeah, correct. I joined in Bareilly and then moved on. I went to 17 Jat.
Wow.
Very,
So nice to
very
meet
close.
you.
World is very small.
But we were there, in what, 1965.
Oh,
We used to live behind BI Bazaar
oh, BI Bazaar. Bareilly.
and watch movies in the ASC auditorium.
Open air theater.
No, they had a closed auditorium also.
Oh, even at that time you had in Bareilly.
Yeah.
Oh, JRC.
Yeah. So we will
This I
one day
never knew.
trade notes.
Oh,
about
fine.
old
Certainly, sir.
about
Otherwise, it will be
Bareilly.
garbage. Whatever we speak will be garbage for the rest of the group.
Well, not necessarily.
Majorly,
All right, thank you so
never,
much.
Never it will be. We love to hear from you.
All right. Goodbye, everybody. Jai Krishna.
Sir, last one I want.
Anything you want to say? The young boys should be allowed to speak.
Sorry, sir, I joined late because I had class.
Never mind, you can still say something. Okay, fine. Doesn't matter. All right, somebody wanted to say something.
I want to say something on this cluttering. We have discussed about the judging people. No, so I used to do that, judging people by their face value, and then realize that no, he's not that person, or she's not that person. So that I used to carry it as a clutter. I think that one.
Great. So just remember before I say bye-bye, every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of yourself. So have a wonderful day. God bless you.
God
Enjoy
bless
yourself.
everybody.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
God bless everybody.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yes.
Just wanted to say my mother was also from Bareilly.
Oh.
Yeah.
You might have gone to the same school. Who knows?
No, she was in girls' school.
Yeah. I was also in a girls' school only.
Oh. Okay. I have been to that school.
Up to class 5, they used to take boys.
Okay. Yeah, I have been to that school, and there were some teachers who were there still, and they are like looking at me, asking me, "Are you daughter of Kamla?" So it was a great experience. Thank you.
Susma,
Bye,
Susma, it seems that I have to come to your office to record a video.
Yeah, please. We are supposed to meet, right?
Oh, you're making that also.
Yeah.
We will. Thanks, Susma. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Ramaji, I would like to share an interesting, not interesting, it's a thought about the cluttering. What I feel is cluttering is not a big deal. The deal is we sold to that clutter. Because every day we get dirt and we take shower, it's not a big deal. But problem is when we sold to that clutter, then problem starts. I tell you one small practical example. My son and my daughter were fighting. I called to talk to them. Then they were fighting, keep on fighting. I told them, I called to talk to you. Is your fight over? Suddenly they just stopped. My daughter said, yeah, it's over. You talk now. But my son took long time to recover it from that fight. He either had a guilt of fighting or either got angry, something. He is not able to come out from that experience. It took long time, but my daughter just throw away things. Yeah, fight is over. Now you talk to me. So the clutter happens to us, but how we sold to that is the big deal. That's just a quick thought.
No, he goes for like a short 2 minutes.
Yeah, if you don't clear the clutters, it gets sticky. After that, it is very difficult to remove it also, even if you want to.
Exactly, Ji. I remember one conversation with one of the spiritual person. I have, it's little 30, but still I say, since it is about clutter, I say, I keep coming to you, I keep on doing all these things, but still things are not changing. He says, in a toilet, one time flush, okay, but if it is for 15 days dirt, how many times you have to pour water?
Water is not sufficient. You need acid.
Acid? Like that clutter. Great conversation. Thank you very much.
The same way I was reading somewhere, like our body is made like that. Now, if something is get cluttered in the body, our body is made like that, and it flush out immediately. If if the water is more, it flush out. If something is, if it is not flush out, we feel uneasy, disease or something. But it's not happening with the mind.
Yeah, correct.
So we have to deliberately, remove it. Otherwise, we can't.
Yeah.
It's the same thing. Okay. So
thank you. Thank you,
matching
Kamal.
My simple understanding is don't get sold to the clutter, get sold to the vision.
Yes, Mr. Vetrivel, you are absolutely right. Our quality of life depends on how fast and how effectively we are decluttering our life and focusing to the future.
We are missing this voice, Takiruddin.
Yes, thank you.
And I want to say to Shirishji, books मेरे को दे दीजिए.
And baggages. Less baggage with more comfort.
Come regularly, Takiruddin. We will have more fruitful conversation. I'm just again getting back to the family. Thanks, Kamal. Thanks, Taki.
Kamal, you are saying something. What is it, Shirish?
No. Shirish is saying ना, उनके पास books बहुत ज़्यादा है. He has so many books. So I'm saying just give it to me.
I think he's in Mumbai only. You can approach him. And he's such a helping person. Siriji.
Yeah, he's there. He's there right now. Yeah.
Okay. I'm in Pune.
You are in Pune? Which area?
Wagoli.
Oh, I see. I often do come to Pune, but because of pandemic, I'm not coming nowadays. But just meet sometime. Once this is over, we'll definitely meet. Definitely, I got some good books. I'll definitely give it to you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. So you're in Mumbai,
yeah? Yeah. Sorry?
You are in Mumbai?
Yeah, I'm in Thane.
So Hasina ji is the one who keeps traveling between Mumbai and.
Yeah.
So right now she's going from Pune to Mumbai.
Mumbai.
That's correct. That's correct.
And Siriji, just to tell you, Kamal is a very sincere volunteer of 5 a.m. club. We used to meet in a different forum. Early morning, 5 o'clock, come to people and creating gratitude journal, affirmation. He touched so many people's life and he sincerely volunteering there. And we have great admiration towards Kamalji.
Oh,
thank you. Thanks.
Yeah, he's doing it even now.
Yeah, now 2 a.m. Some different.
I attended this landmark forum some 20 years back. That was in Mumbai in Jain College. You know, and I think I have seen Mr. Malvai was there. I don't remember exactly, but another similar face was there, and Mr. Gopal was there. He was the training that time. You know, I don't know whether Malvai was there. I don't know, but you know. Some 21 years back.
Sir, sorry, Sirishji. Ramaji, still Facebook Live going on, recording is going on.
Oh, okay. We'll stop it. Sorry.
Sorry, Siriji, go ahead.
Yeah. No. So after that,